The views and opinions expressed on the Plum Pinay are those of the host, guests, and callers, and are not necessarily those of Wusa Studios, its management, or other hosts or advertisers. The shows produced by Wusa Studios can promote any lifestyle, belief, religion, political affiliation, or other personal practice. These shows are for entertainment purposes only and might include strong themes, images, sex, or language that may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Welcome to another episode of the Plum Pinay Show! Welcome. I have a ribbon.
Hello.
Should be here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
How many
guys.
days to go before Christmas, darling?
10. 9.
9 days.
10.
Thanks, Kuya Tipay. Okay, so I am Dana.
And I'm Stacy, and
And
we are the creators of the blog, theplumpinay.com.
Yes, and we're all for women empowerment, body love, body acceptance, and it's
Yeah.
gonna be a big revolution. So join us.
Come with us.
Yes, we are now here live at the Wusa Studios in Pasig City. Don't you just love our set?
Yes, it's very Christmassy, and I feel the holiday vibes over her.
Yeah.
Sige, wear my ribbon on my... Aray. Ayan.
See, you're so festive and Christmassy. You're so happy to be here. Okay, first things first. Guys, Christmas. Maybe you want to spread the love and give your plump friend some plump necklaces. Okay ba yun? Sabi ba yung pagka...
Good job.
Okay,
Go.
so Kuya Tipay, flash our
Flash of the
merch.
necklaces, please. There you go. Those are merchandise because we just really want women to be proud of their bodies, whatever shape or size they are, whether they're big or petite or what. But syempre, this is apt for the bigger girls. So yes, please check out our website to purchase our merchandise.
Yes,
That's
you can-
www.theplumpinay.com.
Yes, and you can check out the shop tab. All the instructions are there if you want to purchase. Yeah, so there you go. So how's everyone? How was your week, my love? As if I'm not updated.
Well, we were at the beach. We went to Tali this
Yes,
weekend,
we went
and it
to
was
Tali,
super fun.
And we rented a very beautiful casa, and we just hung out with our friends, ate, chilled, everything.
Yep.
Yeah,
It was
a
super
really
fun.
Good weekend. We stayed there, Friday to Saturday. How about you guys? We want to know what you are up to, so please tweet us at theplumpinay.com. And
The Plumpinay. At the
At the
Plumpinay.
Plumpinay lang pala. I'm
Correction.
Sorry. I am sorry. Yeah, and also you can call us at 631-2264.
All right. Excited na excited talaga kami for this episode for today
Oh my
because
gosh!
big time ang aming guest.
Yes.
And we are really fans of this woman, okay? You don't
Yeah.
understand. We are fans.
super fans.
Super twin fans.
Super twin fans.
So
Yes.
weird.
And we just love her. We love her voice. We love her body. We love her personality.
We love her
We
audacity,
Yes,
everything
we love
about
everything
her.
about her. And so we are very excited. But before we get into that,
Yes.
how about we discuss something that's very important to us? And that is moving. What's next, diba?
Yeah, what's
Parang
next?
what's next? We want to know what's next. I mean, we're done. We are here promoting body acceptance and body love.
Yeah, and we've been doing this for 4 years now. And
Exactly.
now I think now's a good time to medyo go beyond that. Na, okay, now that you love your body, what's next?
Yes.
Diba? And I have this little quote for you guys.
Mhm.
It's parang the real focus to change is not on fighting the old, but on building the new.
That is correct.
Yes.
So instead of like, trying to be a don't person, why don't we be a do person?
Yes, let's
Yes!
be a do person.
Not that.
What does not that kind of do, but yeah.
Yeah, I
you-
mean, kasi feeling ko mas positive siya when you, when it stems from love na, okay, let's go to this direction. And instead of like being negative na don't do this, don't do that, why don't we just focus on
something else na you
Yes,
can do.
Exactly.
Yes, I totally
Nakuha mo
agree.
dyan,
Like
nakuha mo yan.
me, I really wanna quit some things na parang hindi na okay for my lifestyle, and I think instead of like being too focused and consumed na, I can't do it anymore, why not find something else na I can start doing and start enjoying, diba?
Exactly. So, ikaw, Stacey, for 2014, since
Okay.
we're down to our last 9 days dito sa 2013, what's next for you? Hashtag, what's next?
Well, for me, what's next for me next year, is to just really pursue fitness. I really want to start boxing again because I was an active boxer, chos, and wish ko lang. Pero I did. I was really active when I was in college, and I just really loved boxing. It was a physical
Stress
activity,
reliever.
yeah, that I really enjoyed. Kasi I'd rather do something na I enjoy doing, na hindi ko na mamalayan na 1 hour na pala, and I've been working out for an hour.
Then
Kesa
go
yung
to the gym.
you're gonna time yourself on the treadmill, and then parang kitang-kita ko yung zit ko dito. I have a fimps.
Love your zit.
Yeah, it's part of it. Anyway, so yun, diba? And next year, I just really want to pursue fitness, and just fun activities in general, not just boxing, but maybe try to learn how to ride a bike because I don't know how to friggin' ride a bike. And then, ano pa ba, ikaw? What do you want to pursue next year?
For me, what's next is I've been on a dance hiatus,
Yeah.
if you can say that, because ang dami nangyari. I've been sick, 2013, I got a job, and then the agency life was really taking a toll on me. So, yeah, 2014, I will take salsa classes.
Nax, high five.
Watch out for that. I will be joining and competing by mid-2014. So, please.
Yeah. All right. Let's not
There
delay
you
this
go.
anymore. Let's not delay this anymore.
Yes, because I'm freaking... Okay. We have a very, very, very special guest, as you can see on the posters that we have created. I want to thank also Yana, Team Plump, graphics design. Thank you so much for helping us with the poster. Okay, so we have a very special guest, and she is a force of nature
On the stage! Yes, we are fans! Kinikilig ako katabi ko siya!
Hello.
Oh my gosh! It's Janice on the voice!
Hindi pa
Sorry,
tapos,
we're
hindi pa ako
really
tapos
fans.
mag-intro. Okay, anyway,
Go.
yeah.
Intro pa.
Okay, intro ka pa rin namin kahit
Sige,
nandiyan
sige,
ka.
sige.
Oo, sige,
Okay.
sige.
Okay, so Lea Salonga herself said she wouldn't change a thing about her because she is so unique. Okay, and she loves her style. She is one of the finalists of The Voice Philippines Batch 1. Everyone! Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Janice Javier!
Yes! She's here! Okay, hindi ko mag-get over.
Ako din, pwede
Wow,
ba?
thank you so
Okay.
much. Okay, let's
want
change.
Kapatid ba kayo?
We're twins.
Oh, wow.
Pwede ka sa gitna.
gitna. It's a
Because-
Janice
Yeah,
sandwich.
let's make a Janice
Ganon?
sandwich.
Sige.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, how was Bangkok?
Oh, it's good. Na-miss ko yung Bangkok. Maganda pa rin. Mainit. Hindi pala masyado mainit. Busy, yeah.
Okay, so bago tayo pumunta dyan sa Bangkok trip na yan.
Yeah, we just really want to get to know you.
Wait,
Yeah.
Ako din, pahag.
We are family!
Okay. Yun lang, kinilig lang talaga. Ano talaga eh, no?
Okay, so let's get down to business and get to know Janice.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
growing up, were you always bigger?
Hindi. I started gaining weight siguro around when I was elementary na, nung mga grade 6 na.
Okay.
Pero nung bata ako, payat ako. I don't know what happened. Siguro,
Nothing
pinatapakan
changed.
ako or something.
Pero nothing changed, like di ka naman biglang nagka-injury
Sakit
or
Wala.
Okay, so it was just a physical change talaga that happened. I see.
naturally, yeah.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan naman siyang nangyari.
Oo. Hindi yung...
Hindi naman siya parang booth.
Hindi.
Okay, I see. So at what age did you start singing?
I started singing when I was 5.
Hobby lang.
Hobby lang. Tsaka, kasi yung daddy ko, banda kasi siya, and he always go abroad.
Hotdog.
Yes, hotdog.
Oo nga.
Tapos, every time na nasa biyahe siya, we would record yun sa tape, ganyan. Tapos we would sing for him, ganyan. So ako siguro na 4 years old ako noong time na yun. And we sing Anak.
Wow.
Halo-halo yung lyrics.
Gibberish na
Doon
siya.
kami na-train siguro kakagawa ng voice tape.
I see.
Oo, ginagawang karaoke. Old school karaoke.
Pero hindi naman like forced by your dad na kailangan nyo rin kumanta, kailangan nyo maging into music.
No, not
Hindi.
really.
Ikaw na yun on your own na nagustuhan mo rin talaga.
Oo, siguro, influensya niya talaga kasi pag may ensayo sila, doon sila sa bahay. So, narinig ko yung mga inensayo nila and I remember 13 years old ako and I was listening to Diane Reeves, Anita Baker, not
not ordinary for your
very
age.
old,
Exactly.
very soulful.
Yeah.
Yun, biggest influence.
Nice. So, when you got bigger, when you were in grade 6, nagkaroon ka ba ng mga moments na you were being bullied for your weight or parang biglang may mga asar-asar?
Oh, I grew up being bullied, I think, for the entire time na I was in elementary until high school, even college, yeah. Pero you know, normal occasion naman na but not in school. Nung college ako, I think medyo tanggap na nila yun. Pero while I was growing up dun sa lugar namin, they would make yung eksena na lumilindol, mga ganyan. Tapos nung elementary ako, I remember parang foundation day. Tapos kami yung in charge sa disco booth pa yun. Tapos siya magpapahinga ka, nakaupo kang ganyan. Biglang sasabihin niya, Janice, sa'yo tayo. Sa sobrang asar ko na akala ko niloloko niya ako, I punched him on the tummy.
Pero hindi na pala siya nangaasar.
Hindi, totoo pala. Sabi niya, gusto na kita sa'yo. Sabi niya, kasi parang nadala ako.
Yeah.
I can't blame you din naman, diba?
Na for the longest time, that's how you were being treated. I get it.
And it came to a point na when I was walking out of the street, nakayuko ako lagi, ganyan.
You never stood up for yourself?
I did. Finally, I did. One
When
time,
was this?
This was around
College,
high school na.
okay.
Kasi the entire time I was growing up, siya yung madalas na talagang
May isang taon laging
diba? Yung nakaasar lang talaga
na lalaki. And
kainis.
every time dumadaan ako sa street, siya yung nauuna lagi. Na, siguro elementary.
Sa start
grade
niya yung
six,
taunting.
siya yung pare-pare. So, puno na ako kasi parang hindi na tama na.
Right.
It's
Too much.
It's getting too much. Tas, so sa asar ko, nandun sila sa isang side nung dinadaanan ko every time I go to school. Ginrab ko yung yung shirt niya. Tapos tinayo ko siya, sabi ko, ikaw?
Oh no!
We love the honesty.
Okay, this is our moment. sabi ko, ang lakas ng loob mong mga insulto. Sabi ko, at least ako, mataba ako, pero maganda ako. Sabi ko, ikaw, ang taba mo, itim mo pa, ang sama pa ng ugali mo.
Diba?
Sabi ko, next time na ganyanin mo ako uli sa harapan ng mga tao dito sa street natin, sasapakin talaga kita sa harapan ng magulang mo.
I love it!
Claps
for Janice!
Hindi kasi parang hindi
you have to draw the line.
Exactly.
Tsaka parang sobra na akong napapahiya na I'm not doing anything to him.
Parang a taste of your own medicine. Kung ikaw, pinapahiya mo ko ng ganito, edi ewan ko I mean...
Hindi, at saka buti sana kung hindi lang once na pinabayaan lang niya once.
growing up, she's
Diba?
been around. Yeah, that's...
And then what happened after you put him
Well, after 1 week,
Naglipat ng bahay.
hindi. The funny thing was, after 1 week, nagpapalakad siya sa cousin ko.
See?
Gusto ka pala
Ay,
niya!
nako!
Lahat ng
Ito
nakakasal
ka,
sa
ito
amin
ka.
nun, alam ko na kung ba't niyo ako inaasar. Yung love kayo sa akin. Di niyo to matitikman. Sorry.
Yun hindi kami kalad-karin.
Well,
So, yun, mga ganong eksena.
But how was your family and your friends? They're full of love and acceptance naman. That's good.
Yes. Pero syempre, there were times na they get too concerned, lalo na pag nakikita
when it comes
nila.
to health na.
Oo, itong during The Voice, nakikita nila ako na hinihingal.
Yeah.
And I felt it sa ako din mismo. Kasi I used to dance a lot. No? Even nung malaki na ako, in a heavy side, mahilig ako sumayaw. And it's I think added attraction para sa akin.
Ayan
Dancer
din yan.
di ba? In Bangkok kasi nakakasayaw lang mga payat. Pag medyo lumaki na sila ng konti or chubby
na sila.
Oo, parang hindi nila nahihiya sila, hindi nila kaya.
Yeah,
pero ako talaga ngayon.
I've heard from a friend na in Bangkok daw, grabe daw talaga sila mga fat shame. As in, when you're big, other people would rather kill themselves than be big.
That's true. Minsan di ba, trinay natin yung very famous Bangkok pills.
Correct.
Ay nako, na ganyan din ako.
Sa
Try na namin
clinic
yan.
na insecure ako, ang nagpapakonsulta, parang 1/4 lang ng katawan ko.
Grabe.
Nakuha niya dito.
Oo.
Sabi silang takot tumaba.
Yeah, oo. Ganun yung culture in Bangkok.
So yeah, mentioning that, why did you work in Bangkok knowing na may ganong culture doon?
Surprisingly, sa Bangkok, they never looked at my weight.
Wow.
They loved me for
Your
you know,
talent.
for my talent.
Your
or
Yeah,
for-
oo naman.
Actually, mas pinaboran pa yun na dahil malaki ako. And I got
Oh,
more
eh.
gigs than other people.
Wow! Oh!
And I'm the
I like
only
it.
one
I like it.
who's allowed to gain weight.
I love it!
Tapos like kung binibiro yung mga barkada ko, sabi ko, pasensya na kasi ako lang may karapatan tumaba sa inyo.
So, kain lang ako
Sabi ko,
dito.
kasi kung papayat ako, paano na kayo? Wala na kayong work.
Correct!
Kasi sabi nila, kung yun ang papapayatin si Janice, baka mawalan tayo ng
Oo
trabaho.
nga eh.
So
Biro lang naman.
how old were you when you moved to Bangkok?
I was 22. I've been living there for almost 15 years.
Really?
Until now?
Hindi na ngayon kasi because of the voice.
Yeah.
Pero,
Doon, ching!
Sorry! Medyo naslow ako
Until
na.
now? Okay.
Hindi, pero but you were just there kasi. She just came back, kaya akala ko baka,
Yeah, but wait lang. Why did you go to Bangkok? Is it really to pursue a singing career? As in, with that in mind, you bought a ticket.
Yeah, you mean the first time? Kasi actually, banda kami noon. We're all Filipino band. I was with my dad that time sa band. Kasama namin sa band. And kagagaling lang namin, galing Korea.
Mm-hmm.
So, bumalik
So,
kami
you're
ng
doing a
Pilipinas.
tour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun na yung trabaho ko since right after I graduated college. Hindi ko talaga feel magtrabaho ng sa opisina.
No, if I had your voice, I wouldn't even apply
Oo,
to
diba?
any corporation.
Sabi ko, ayokong gusto ko na bumiyahe. So right after, hindi na ako nag-march out. Ang march ako
Seryoso?
papuntang airport. Straight, dire-diretso
like
ako
it.
Indonesia. Ganyan na. Tapos, ayun na. So sabi ko, pagbalik namin, actually, ayaw kami payagan ng agent namin because she knew, I think she felt like, pag natuloy kami sa Bangkok, hindi na kami babalik. And true enough, we didn't. Kasi sobrang na-relax kami doon, tuwa kami kasi well accepted kami ng mga tao. And yun na, dire-diretso na yung work namin. Hindi na kami, umuwi man kami siguro, I think first time ko magpapasko dito in 14 years.
Wow.
Kasi
Yay! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
I love it.
So,
Merry talaga Christmas.
Yes.
Here in the
So
Philippines.
you're gonna be with your family and friends this Christmas?
Unfortunately, I just left my mom and dad sa Bangkok. Pero I'll be with my cousins. Madami naman akong kamag-anak.
Alright.
And friends, madami din. Pero minsan kasi pag pagod na pagod ka, parang sa sobrang dami nila, parang hindi mo alam kung kanino ka talaga pupunta.
Correct,
Sabi ko,
correct.
binibiro ko nga, sabi ko baka may magtampo, so ang gagawin ko na lang. Bahay na lang ako, matutulog na ako mag-isa. Para wala magtampo. So,
And just one time to rest. Yes. So mayroon akong question. This is a very personal question, but I want to know, as a performer, was there any specific moment or circumstance na you were shamed?
Ng mga haters.
Too many times.
Are you
times.
serious?
Kaya nga I thought like I was ready to join The Voice because I could
Sanay ka
face
na, no?
anything.
Immune ka na.
All the criticism, yung pagpapaya talaga. Naranasan ko na there are times na pagpupustahan nila yung weight ko.
Oh, man.
Tapos yung habang sumasayaw ako or nagtatrabaho ako, minumuestra nila yung gumaganon sila. Or worst, I think the first time na pahiya ako was here sa Pilipinas. Tumutugtog kami sa isang hotel, na very famous hotel siya.
For
akala ko,
event?
no, gig,
regular gig.
So I thought people who go there are
Educated. My gosh,
marunong
ano ba?
rumespeto.
Kasi mahalin yung hotel,
Hotel eh.
So I thought na may modo yung mga pupunta.
Well, it just goes to show na you cannot buy class.
Yeah.
Correct.
Amen.
Correct.
Amen, sister.
Yeah.
So, nakaupo sila sa harapan ko. Tatlo silang girls na slim. And paglabas ko doon, ang kakantahin ko kasi, Greatest Love of All, na Acapella yung una. So, tahimik, antay-tahimik, nakapatay yung ilaw. Pero since nasa front sila, kitang-kita nila ako. Oo, sabi nila sa akin, oh my God, paano siya nagising? Yung taba-taba niya. Sabi ko na.
Bakit taba ako ba yung kumakanta? Sampalin kita dyan eh.
Di ba?
Oo,
Galit,
diba?
galit.
Parang hindi na, kung taba ako man ang kumakanta, hindi naman siya na-season 2 na ano. Lagi naman siyang on the right.
You know what? I don't get girls like that na parang it just goes to show, it speaks more about them than you. Na parang, grabe these girls. Na talent, I bet those girls don't have talent. I mean, come on, maybe beautiful lang sila and all, pero pag salita ka nga, kanta ka nga, wala kayong sinabi!
Wala kayong sinabi!
Wala, man! Hindi ko na kailangan ng proof. Joke. Pero siya intense.
Yun na, tapos sabi ko,
You heard it?
I heard it. Because ang lapit
Nasa
nila
harap
sa akin. So sabi ko, teka mo lang, teka lang, huwag ka muna tutugtog. Sabi ko,
I like it.
sabi ko,
and
I
then-
would like to dedicate this song to these 3 lovely ladies who's got nothing but nice things to say about me. Sabi ko, this
Wow.
Oh my God!
talagang
Not
hindi
just
ko
us-
sila pinahiya
Yeah,
na
oo, kill
itong
them
mga
with
tao mabastos,
kindness.
di ganun. Parang reverse psychology.
Kill
na.
them with kindness. Siguro pahiyang-pahiya
Pahiya yun.
sila.
I
Gulat
bet.
sila
Gusto
parang-
nilang magtago sa uno nila.
Oh, for sure.
Totoo yun. Kasi after ko mag-perform, pumunta
Lumapit.
sila sa likuran, sa backstage, and, oh my God, you're so good.
Oh,
we're
see?
a fan.
Oh,
Ganyan,
see?
ganyan. Ako naman, oh yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm happy that you're standing up for yourself, lalo na you're in public, no? Kasi I really think it's essential na you put those people in their place.
Yeah.
Kasi if you don't, they're gonna keep doing it and they're gonna keep thinking it's okay to do it. And it's not. It's not.
That's true.
So how did you come into terms? Like I'm sure when people were teasing you, when people were taunting
Oo
you,
nga.
there was a phase in your life na you felt shamed. You told me na you walk down
To a
the
clinic.
streets na
Yuko.
nakayuko, ganyan. How did you finally say, when and how did you finally accept to yourself na, dude, screw it, I'm good.
Well, the first time was yung I stood up for myself
High school.
doon sa guy na yun.
Na-type ka pala.
Oh my, what a loser. What a loser that guy.
The second time was nung during nagpa-perform yung banda ko. And every time they have choreography, I always go down off the stage. Tapos doon ako sa stairs, nakaupo ko, dala ko yung microphone ko, doon ako nagba-back up. And I did that for like 2 years. So, but every time they do that, nakatingin ako lagi sa kanila. So nakikita ko yung steps nila, nakikita ko what they do.
And
finally,
you wanted
sabi
to
ko,
kasi dancer ka dati.
Parang, hindi ako dancer dati, pero I love to dance.
Oo,
And I know
oo.
I can dance.
Oo.
Although hindi naman kasing
Pro na pro.
hanip nung
Oo.
diba? Pero I can do it. Tapos finally, parang one day sinabi ko na lang na anong mangyari sa akin if I will always sit in the stairs.
Oo.
Diba? Sabi ko, kaya ko naman to. So, when I told my manager, sabi ko, I wanna dance. Sabi ko, sali ko. Sabi ko,
Yeah!
Tapos nagulat sila na they don't have to teach me the choreography. Kasi memorize ko
Oo,
siya.
kakanood.
Kasi lagi ko siya napapanood eh. And yun ang naging added attraction ng banda namin. Kasi
Oo, di ba?
they couldn't believe na sa size ko, nakakagalaw ako.
Yeah, fat people can dance.
Oh, yeah, we
Fat
can.
people dance all the time.
Hindi.
Okay ba yung move ko?
Hindi.
Parang nalunod
Pro
na
na
aso.
pro. Pro na
Pro na
Hirap
pro.
pinag-aralan talaga.
Okay, before anything else, let's do this game. Gusto ko ng game.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Biritan game to. Siya pambato ko. Ako taga-host lang dito ng
Ganyan
game.
ka kagaling. Gusto mo ako lang napapahiya.
Oo naman.
Okay yan.
Alam mo, hawig
Okay.
pala si Rada, no?
Ba?
You're not the first who said that.
Yara?
Join us next time, please.
Oo nga eh. Okay, so we just wanna show off our magical singing skills. You know,
Yun na.
unparalleled.
Kasi talagang
eh.
pwede kong may chance akong ma-defeat si Janice.
Oo naman.
Humble ako
Humble
Baka
yan.
Janice, prepare yourself
Oo nga eh. Parang tiniming ko talagang galing akong biyahe. Wala akong kalaban-laban. Eh, yung tipong inaantok pa ako sa traffic.
Okay guys, papahiin ko talaga yung sarili ko dito ng big time na big time. Pero para sa inyo, dahil ni-request to ng reader namin na, ba't di kayo
Show
gumawa
off.
ng diva off?
Oo, yan.
Sabi
Diva
ko,
off.
with Janice?
Are you sure?
Are you sure about that?
Let's do it.
Oh my God!
Let's do
Dana, ikaw pambato natin dito.
Okay, anong gagawin?
Kumanta ka.
Okay, are you sure you want me to start it? Maybe Janice wants to start it.
Na parang may iba naman, dapat ikaw.
Ikaw naman, ikaw naman. You set the bar, Dana. You set the bar high.
Stacy, upang kita magkakasapin. Grabe, kaba ko dito, katabi natin si Janice, ha?
Go. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, ano mga katahin ko? Bigyan mo ako ng isang song dyan.
Nice and Slow by Usher.
Okay, Usher. Ano lang to,
Okay.
Hindi ko na
Kunwari.
masyado gagalingan, Janice, para
Para
ano
naman,
to? Ito lang
kasi pagod siya eh. So
Pagod
medyo
siya.
ibaba mo yung
Ibaba natin.
konti.
Sige.
Ibaba mo
Ibaba
ng konti.
wow, biglang yung puso ko talagang boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Kuya Pai, this one's for you. Asa ka ba?
Wow.
Wisit. There we go.
Ayan.
Okay. Huwag niyo naman i-zoom in, mga kuya.
Go na, go na, go na.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I met a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. Okay na yun?
Okay na yan! Oh yeah, pwede.
Janice, kakagaling ko lang sa sakit, just so you know that. Just so we're clear here in the studios. Okay. Okay.
Ready ka na ba, Janice? Are you sure?
May sakit pa yun, ha?
Oo, may sakit yan.
Ano to? Any song?
Any song? Pwede
Ay,
mag-request? Paano?
Sabi ko, parang natakot ako.
Go.
Ano yung...
We found love.
Oh, We Found Love.
We
So,
Found Love. We
version
Found
mo ng We
Love.
Found Love.
Okay.
Go.
Fresh from the traffic. Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. Parang may invisible DJ, no? I gotta work it. Let it go. We found love in a hopeless place.
Yeah.
We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
I love it.
Konti. Bibigay ko na lang sa kanya ng konti. Medyo nalaman kanyang konti.
Konti lang naman yung lamang, di ba?
Konti lang naman. Konting-konti lang. Sige, ikaw na.
Wiwisal daw siya.
Dana,
I love it.
kaya mo pa bang, gusto mo pa bang i-challenge yun?
Baka sumobra na tayo mamaya.
Oo nga eh.
Baka
Baka umulan ng endorsement sa atin, di pa tayo ready for that.
Baka may contract signing with music
Label,
studio
ganyan. Di pa kami ready eh.
Maunahan mo pa ako mag-sign.
Talaga, ako yung isang malaking feelingerang etchosera. At kitang-kita niya naman, napakagaling ni Janice. Palakpakan natin ulit si Janice.
Okay.
Salamat.
May sakit pa
Thank you.
yan, ha? So gracious. Whew. Okay, so now that, back to the interview, no? I want to know, what made you decide na you're going for The Voice?
Yeah.
Una-una kasi nga, di ba, the main reason na nakatalikod sila.
Yun na.
Yun
oo.
yung parang, kasi yung maraming competition, reality shows na X Factor, Pilipinas Got Talent, even yung mga bagong campaign, yung mga noon pa. Kasi pinagdaanan ko lahat yan. I'm 38 years old, so...
Really?
So, oo.
You look so young. Oo nga eh.
May baby fats pa ako, kaya bata pa. So, noon natatakot, kasi nga, because of my weight, yun talaga yung isang napakamalaking balakid sa akin. I always get scared na baka, kapag tawanan ako.
Yeah, and because of your experiences then, I guess, malaking factor din yun.
And I don't see myself pretty on TV, mga ganyan. So sabi ko, ayoko niyan. Pero lagi mga barkada ko, ano ka ba? Bakit ayaw mo sumali? Ganyan. Tapos even people in Bangkok, they tell me, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in your country. Ganyan.
Talaga?
You should be at home. Ganyan. Sabi ko,
Your
it's
people.
difficult kasi
See,
medyo brutal kasi ang Filipino audience. They're very parang critical talaga
Lakas
sa mga
mang
audience.
asar, lakas man lait, culture talaga ng
Parang
Pinoy.
You really have to prove yourself.
Yeah.
Big time. Para ma-accept ka nila. Then, etong The Voice came, and wala akong balak mag-audition. Kasi nandito ako for a wedding. Tapos yung isang friend ko na mag-audition siya, shinare niya sa akin yung text. Sabi niya, ate, punta ka, mag-audition ka. Saan ko naman, okay, sige, let's do this. Sabi ko, punta kami. Tapos, I think, nandun na kami ng 9 o'clock in the morning. And this was a parang special audition. Nakaramihan mga musikero.
Musikero nandun.
Nagulat ako, nandun si Thor, nandun yung...
Oh
my God, yung mga magagaling na musikero ng
talagang nasa industry na.
Nandun sila lahat. Tapos yung kasi hindi naman ako, tagal ko nang wala sa Pilipinas. So I didn't know kung sino yung mga talagang magagaling na nagbabanda. So yung kasama ko, kilala niya lahat, sinasabi niya sa akin, oh my God, andito siya. Ako naman, ano ba to? Tama ba tong decision ko na nandito ako? So wala na akong magawa kasi doon na ako sa ABS. Tapos, ayun na, akala ko hindi ako kakabahan. Dinadaan ko na lang sa pagiging friendly. Lahat tapos nakabahan ako na ate, oy, huwag makabahan. Wala nung ako nasisalang. Talagang natural talaga sa atin yun yung kakabahan ka. Ako pa naman, pag kinakabahan ako, nanginginig yung bibig ko.
Really?
Parang hindi ko makontrol. Tapos minsan, kasi wala namang instrumento doon, minsan mali pa yung pasok mo, it's too high or too low. And sabi ko, sige, gawin na natin to. And ano naman, I think it was really meant to happen for me. Kasi yung mga nandoon na tao sa audition ko, babait lahat sila eh. And they asked me, if you pass, will you give up what you have in Bangkok? Sabi ko, I will. Kasi I wanna try. For the longest time, I wanna try it. And perform in the Philippines.
Tsaka new chapter na, di ba? Tagal mo na rin, Bangkok parang iyon na yun eh, na conquer mo na yun.
And sabi ko, gusto ko talaga mag-perform sa Pilipinas. Gusto kong i-break yung stereotyping nila sa West. Yun yung pinaka-main goal ko. Kasi every time I come home, which is not often. Pero if I have a chance, umuwi ako. And I always go out and watch live bands. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talagang manood ng live bands sa Pilipinas. Kasi talagang walang itatapon eh. Lahat magaling. And na-inspire ako kasi natutuwa ako sa kanila and for their young age.
Oo nga,
actually. Umabot sila ng, di ba? So, every time magpupunta ako, madalas napapajam ako. Ang masakit noon, kunyari, after mong mag-jam, may lalapit sa'yo, oh, man, you're so good. We wanna hire you. But, may but.
Lose weight muna.
You have to lose weight. Every time, walang palya yun. And sabi ko, bakit kailangan may but?
Yun na nga.
Bakit sa ibang bansa, love nila yung...
Exactly. Diba? Ang dami-dami like,
pwede?
na Hollywood, na big singers. Ang dami.
And it's something na hindi naman lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas payat.
Yun na nga.
Anywhere in the world, di ba?
And why do they have to censor big girls? Why can't they be seen on stage?
Why can't they be on the spotlight too?
Yeah, di ba?
Kaya nung sabi ko, I'm gonna do this for people who are like me.
Yeah.
Who doesn't,
Galing.
wanna go out into, out there and,
shine because
natatakot. If you have a talent, then it's the voice. It's not the weight. It's not...
Exactly.
The voice.
It's not the face. So,
sabi nga ni Mitoy yun.
Sabi ni Kuya Mitoy. So, sabi ko, I think it's about time for me to go out there and show. I just want to be heard. Yun talaga yung paano ko. I don't want to be... Wala sa plano ko yung maging sikat. I don't want to be famous. I just want to work.
You want to perform.
I want to perform. I want to work.
Passion,
and I want to save money. Yun lang talaga. Parang very ordinary and practical,
Yeah.
Pero nagkataon nga na umabot ako ng top 4 and medyo mahirap din kasi a lot of expectations. And even ang nakakatawa sa The Voice, never ko pinapanood yung video ko.
Talaga? You don't? Bakit?
Kami, every time ma-up tong podcast na to, pero nasa YouTube tayo.
Honestly, I don't see myself pretty on TV. I always say that. Kasi, hindi, ewan ko, iba yung...
But I think you're pretty.
I know, right?
Yeah, I think it's the conditioning of the mind.
Hindi, siguro sa... nakakatawa, pag nakikita nila ako sa personal, sasabihin nila sa akin, ay, ganda mo pala sa personal. Mas gusto ko na yun. Kasi ang ganda mo pala sa TV.
Correct.
Yung
Tapos
maganda pagkakita mo.
Anyari.
Kaya sabi ko, parang, sige na nga. Sabi ko, laban tayo. Hanggang kailan tayo aabot. Sabi ko.
But along the course of The Voice, no, week after week, wala naman from your team, I mean, being with Apple and all of the other contestants, you never got a bad, a bad comment?
From my teammates?
Oo, or from other people, production, staff ng The Voice na, or kasi we personally had an interview with Rada naman, and she honestly told us na meron talagang mga tao na you have to lose weight if you wanna make it.
Yeah.
May mga ganun talaga na blatantly sinasabi
Kahit na andun ka na,
kahit
no?
andun ka na
Oo.
nasa spotlight ka na and you're doing your thing, you've proven yourself talent-wise, but still some people in the same industry blatantly tell her na, you know what, if you don't lose the weight, hindi ka din tatagal.
Yeah, actually si Rada yung una kong na-meet na nung bumalik ako dito. Just nung January. Siya yung unang-unang na-meet ko na celebrity. For me, she's a celebrity.
Yeah, oh.
And I met her sa Strums. And siya yung sa akin na nagsabi sa tao na, ano ba inaantay nyo? Bakit ninyo pa i-hire si Janice? Parang siya yung nagdepensa sa akin. And I felt really grateful sa kanya. And nagulat ako, nakita ko siya sa The Voice. Ginagawa mo dito? Bakit ka nandito? Huwag ka na sumali. Amin na lang to, diba? Yan lang ako namin siya. Pero totoo yun. Kasi even if they don't say it, you can see it. The way they look at you, the way they treat you. Really? There were times na you felt like you'll be parang asikasuhin ka nila na pinaka-last. May mga ganong eksena. May mga tao na I don't know if they're from the production or but I see them there. Minsan yung parang natatawanan kami. I mean, may mga eksena na siguro may something funny sa itsura ko or I don't know. But it's natural na sa tao yun eh.
Yeah.
But pero most of the staff of ABS-CBN, they were really nice to me.
That's good.
And I felt like yung pagiging hindi ako tibo, pero the way I move and the way I talk to people, kala na tibo ako. So, ayoko naman sabihin cool ako kasi,
ganun ka eh.
Ganun lang ako kumilos eh. So, lahat tawag ko, bro.
Oo.
Yung itsura ko pa naman, when I auditioned, I had cornrows.
Oo nga.
Hindi talaga ako girl. I mean, pa-girl sa damit. I'm really comfortable with naka-shorts, rubber shoes, nakatalibok, naka-cap. Kasi doon ako nakakagalaw. I'm more myself when I'm...
Comfort over fashion and ek. Yes.
Pero I guess na gusto nila mag-diva ang dating ko. So.
But you know what? I think you're really brave and I just wanna commend you na you're putting yourself out there despite knowing na, alam mo yon, may ganyan talaga eh, na may mga taong mangmamak, mga criticize who will, be haters. And still, you're so comfortable doing it. And I think the Philippines need more of you.
Correct.
People like you na talagang, you know what, this is me. Don't put me in a box na I have to look like this, I have to do this.
Diba? Parang...
Kasi it's all fake. I think honestly in the entertainment business, puro image yung importante to them.
Alright.
It's all about the image. And parang, it's not being true to the person din, na naiiba na rin siya. For, alam mo yun, kung sino talaga siya, what she prefers to look, or how she prefers to act. And you staying true to yourself is so refreshing kasi nga, konti lang yung taong tulad mo in the industry.
Ang rewarding na part sa akin is yung may mga sumusulat sa akin na,
oo naman.
Janice, ikaw ang inspirasyon namin. Thank you for putting our flag up.
Yeah, oo naman.
Sabi ko,
yo.
ang tawag dito, sabi ko, once and for all, kailangan natin tanggalin yung ano na yun.
Yeah.
Break natin yung wall na yun. Kasi, ang dami nating talented na tao na,
super.
And hindi naman tayo nananakit eh.
Yeah.
And, yun nga yung point ko, bakit dito hindi pwede?
Yeah.
Yan ang sinasabi ko eh.
Ngayon pwede na dahil sa'yo.
Yes! Boom!
Are you familiar with, Pinay Curvy sa Twitter ko sila.
Curvy Pinay?
Curvy Pinay.
Familiar ka ba sa The Plum Pinay?
Parang na-confuse nga ako. Sabi ko, pareho ba yun?
Hindi. Kaya ba yun?
Galit yun. Joke! We welcome everyone. Actually, kami rin, we're very grateful na people are joining us in our advocacy and this bandwagon, outside the bandwagon. And parang, like you, we just really want to raise that flag, diba? Na it's our turn. I mean, we're not trying to steal the spotlight or like...
pero Include us naman.
Oo, parang we are part of that demographic. Don't ignore
We
us.
are real, guys. We are not imaginary.
Fat girls are real.
Fat girls
we
exist.
have talents and we are beautiful and we can do everything that skinny girls can.
Exactly.
Saksak nyo yun sa baga nyo. Sorry.
Correct.
Tama yun, tama.
Okay, so before anything else, we want to greet our tweeters.
Hey,
People who
tweeters.
tweet to us. So if you have questions for Janice, also please tweet us at the Plum Pinay. Okay, Kaya B, she goes, the Plum Pinay. What's next? OMG, go Dana. So I'm guessing tuwang-tuwa ka nung kumakanta ko at pinapahiya ko yung sarili ko kanina. Salamat sa'yo, Kaya B. Next is Purple Hoya, the Plum Pinay. What's next hashtag? Gusto niya ng lifestyle change to be healthy and fit. Yeah, we encourage that. We are for that. We also believe that there is health at every size.
Yes.
Okay. Also, Ivrin, the Plum Pinay, what's next? The Plum Pinay, so hopefully traveling with friends. Oh yeah. Maybe
Next
go
year.
to Bangkok
That would
next
be nice.
year.
Oh, yes.
Shop.
Mga
Shop.
shopping.
And also, Jen again. Hi, Ates. I am a big fan. I enjoy listening to your shows.
Thank you.
Salamat. Okay, Stacey, your turn. Baka naman gusto mong...
Ano?
Ayaw mo, no?
Ano, Alin?
Isang sample nga dyan.
Yun na.
Dali Anong may request ba kayo dyan? Baka may
How
request
about
din na.
Natural Woman?
Yun na. Binubuhay ang
Ano na
voice.
lang? Walk on by. Ay, hindi. Ayoko ng walk on by. Hindi ko kanta
May
yun.
meaning, may
Hindi ko kanta
meaning.
yun.
May
May something. Kayo, request kayo. Wala akong isip na kanta ngayon eh.
Yun nga, gusto ko ay... Okay, mamaya ka na.
Mamaya na.
Okay, Janice, I also wanna ask, anong feeling nung when everyone turned their
Oo
chairs
nga.
and Lea Salonga was like freaking out when she saw you na parang siya pa yung na-starstruck eh.
Oo,
Kasi
actually.
we watching your videos last night and kami talagang, oh my gosh, dude! This is really happening tomorrow. We're gonna meet Janice. And I think, ako personally like being with you now. No, I mean your presence is like so warm and it's so welcoming.
It's so real.
May ibang tao kasi na pag
May
you're
wall
around,
no?
may wall, parang
you
mafifeel
can't,
yun.
you can't talk to me in a,
Yeah, and
Diba?
even
Look at me when I'm talking.
Apple the app, diba? Parang Apple the app kept saying sa mga interview ng The Voice na Janice has a really good personality, she has a really big heart. Parang other than her talent, that is who she is. Yeah, so how did you react to that?
Actually, nung nag-turn silang lahat, nung unang-una pa lang si Apple, nagulat na ako kasi...
Ang bilis nga niya eh, no?
Oo.
Parang, ano ba to, natutulog na nagising tuloy. Baka na baka bigla lang na yung natamaan yung budget.
accidental.
Pwede, no?
Accidental
Oo,
lang.
Sa puyat niya nakatulog. Yun, tapos yung mga comments nila, kasi hindi pa nagsisimula, alam ko na kung sinang pipiliin ko. And I would always, say na I'm Apple talaga. Kasi hip-hop girl ako eh.
Ah,
I
okay.
love hip-hop and
High five,
R&B.
yeah.
High five daw.
Yeah. Hip-hop, R&B. So,
Yeah.
alam ko, sabi ko, it's gonna be Apple all the way. Tapos nung nagsalita na sila isa-isa, parang ako sa sinabi ni Lea na medyo, teka lang isip mo na.
Oo
pala.
nga.
Oo,
Oo nga eh.
kasi-
Unexpected din.
Before nagsalita si Coach, si Lea muna. And
Yeah.
she was saying all these wonderful things about me and parang, Lea Salonga? Well, no
Oo,
offense to
grabe.
Bambo and Sarah. Of course, I
Oo.
respect them so much. And parang nagulat lang ako na coming from Lea Salonga na talagang kasabay ko siya lumaki. I mean, halos magkasing edad kami. And I know how, the things that she has done. Parang compliments coming from her, parang sobrang sobra.
correct,
no?
correct.
Teka lang sige na nga. parang ganito sobra, parang kaya lang sabi ko, natakot ako sa kanya. Because I see her as a perfectionist.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Stricto. And,
Reputation niya talaga yan.
Pero napaka niya, sorry Coach Leanne, napaka-jologs niya minsan na. Sobrang
Down to earth pala.
masaw. Sobrang
Oh,
bait na. Sabi nila, oy, hindi.
Oo nga, I don't
Oo
find
nga,
her
ako
OA.
din.
I like her.
That's
I
how
like
she
her.
is. That's how
Oo.
she expresses
She's so
her
real.
happiness. And,
Yeah, I like her.
Diba? Even off camera, nakakasama namin siya sa mga shows. And she's lakas mangasar, mahilig makijamig. And, kahit wala siyang makeup, picture siya.
Yeah.
Kahit anong
Walang
siyang,
arte.
walang arte. Super bait. And talagang sabi ko, parang coming from all these celebrities, pupuriin ka ng galon, parang sobra akong natuwa. And I feel very proud of myself.
Yeah.
Of course.
Kasi, alam ko kasi, bawat isa sa kanila, meron silang tao sa audience. And probably they get help from their, mga friends sila who to choose. So parang natuwa ako na some of yung mga tao doon, gusto
For
nila
you talaga.
ako talaga.
Correct.
Parang, ay, napaka-overwhelming naman ng pagtanggap nila. So parang, even tapos kinarga pa ako ni Apple.
Actually.
Sabi ko, teka, parang feeling ko, si Coach Apple, talagang malabo ang mata niya. Kasi hindi niya alam kung gaano kalaki yung bubuhatin niya. Until hinihakap niya na ako. Takot talaga. Akala ko babagsak talaga kami. Sabi ko, mukhang sisikat ako for the wrong reason. Isang singer nakapatay ng coach.
Crazy! That's crazy!
Yun ang news.
Crazy talk.
Diba? Pero,
no, malaki naman guns ni Apple.
Oo. Ako dyan. Testigo ako dyan. Pero sobrang swerte ko rin na kay Coach Apple.
But along the way, of course, you were very happy and you were starting out and were there any moments na you were so discouraged na parang hindi na ako aabot, hindi na ako aabot? Really? Sa galing mong yan?
Oo
Hindi
nga.
naman. Pero totoo, ako kasi, kaya ako sumali ng The Voice kasi akala ko, ready na ako. Akala ko, tapang ko na napagdaanan ko na lahat.
And then something comes up, no?
I've been traveling abroad as a singer.
Yeah.
So kahit ano ba ito mo sa akin, kahit pintasan mo ako, durug-durugin mo, kaya ko. Pero hindi ko kinaya yung stress, and yung pressure, and yung pagod. Kasi we were doing, siyempre hindi nakikita ng tao yun
Yung trainings
But
and
we were
rehearsal.
on our toes all the time. Kasi pahinga lang namin Lunes.
Talaga?
Pagdating ng Tuesday, we do recording, we do rehearsals, we do pictorials. Minsan meron pa
Busy
kaming
talaga.
early show.
Yeah.
Tapos may asap pa, tapos sa gabi finals. Alam mo yung ganun. So,
Ganun pala.
I think the most talagang critical time for me was with Thor. I always say this, yung kami ni Thor nung battle namin ito.
Oh yeah, I've seen
Sobra
that.
akong, yun na yung time na sabi ko, am I good enough for this competition? Parang kaya ko ba to? Kasi nagkasakit na ako Because ang sakit ko pa, ever since nagbanda ako, hindi ako nakakatulog agad. Meron akong amnesia. Nakakalimutan ko pong matulog.
Hindi niya alam kung paano, pakituruan.
Nakakalimutan ko pong
Lessons,
antukin.
please.
Parang, alam mo na ba matulog? Yan. So hindi ako nakakatulog ng maaga, napupuyat ako, and yun ang kalaban ng mga singers
Yeah,
yung
puyat.
And nung nag-ensayo na, di ba meron kaming mentoring, and hindi ko alam na may choir siya. So nung ako muna nauna kumanta ako, sabi ko, ano ba to, wala na akong boses, hindi ko na maabot yung in-ensayo namin sa studio. Tapos ito na si Thor. Biglang lumabas yung daming choir. Tapos kumanta siya. Oh, damn. Yung boses niya, very conditioned, napaka-smooth, talagang right on the dot, lahat ng notes niya. Wala na. Iyak na ako ng iyak. Doon sa Red Chair. Doon kami. Tapos talagang iyak na. Ganun na.
Hikbit.
And doon si Rada nakakatawa. Parang hindi niya alam kung ano sasabihin niya. And she just turned around. Sabi niya, ayoko to. Kasi nararamdaman niya yung nararamdaman ko. I mean, everybody, alam nila yung stress and we all went through that. And sabi ko, Lord, hindi ko na kaya. Sabi ko, wala na po akong boses. Hindi ko po alam kung kakayanin ko pa tong week na to. Sabi ko, pero kayo na yung bahala. Sabi ko. And I was listening to him. Habang patagal yung kanta, lalo lumalakas yung parang, Lord, ano ba to? Parang, tapos, si Coach, nung turn na the video na kami with our coaches, sabi ko, Coach, hindi ko muna ibibigay kasi wala talaga akong boses. Sabi naman ni Coach, I know, you always say that, but when you open your mouth, you become a monster. Sabi ko, hindi, Coach, ito talaga to, ganyan. Anyway, sabi niya, just take it easy. Si Coach naman, very understanding siya. Sabi niya, kung di mo kaya ngayon, then, tipirin mo lang. Tapos pagdating sa competition, let it go. Tapos, ang naging defense mechanism ko nun is nagbisi-bisihan ako sa telepono ko. Habang kumakanta si Thor nung finals na. Kasi ayoko siya madinig. Kasi insecure talaga ako.
Nakaka-pressure.
Distract yourself.
I even had to tell my mom and dad na I wanna be away for 2 days bago mag-finals. Bago compete with Thor. And
Ano ginawa mo sa 2 days na yun?
meron akong friend na meron siyang condo unit na walang nakatira. And I told her, I asked her kung pwede ako doon for 2 days.
Me time.
Yes, I just wanna be alone. Gusto ko pagkatas ng ensayo, uwi ako, wala akong kausap. Gusto ko man humagulgol, kaya kong gawin. Kasi when you're in front of your parents, hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun. Kasi sila yung...
Mag-worry naman sila for
ano
you.
Kaya mo ba yan?
Oo.
Parang ganyan. Ayoko silang bigyan ng reason to doubt
Oo, tama.
to doubt me. And sabi ko, just give me this 2 days. Sabi ko, kailangan ko talaga. And
That's good.
so, ganun na ako ka-stressed out. And I even lost 19 pounds.
Talaga.
Because of all the
The stress and
Oo.
pressure.
Kasi kahit na may pagkain dyan,
Walang
sa
gana
sobrang kakaisip mo, hindi mo na siya
Hindi
mo
na
siya
siya
mapansin
appetizing.
Oo. Kahit na ang dami pang lunch boxes dyan na pwede ko iuwi.
Hindi na eh.
Diba? Hindi sila pinapansin kasi sobrang na-stressed out ako. And yun nga yung pinaka-time na sinabi ko, I don't think I am good enough to last this competition.
Okay.
Pero thank God.
Yeah. Success na
Oo.
success.
Yun ang ano ko eh. Kasi every time ako mag-perform, before I perform, I text my friends and family. Eto na, 1 minute na lang ako na. And so please pray for me. Yun lang.
Yun na.
Tapos, nakakagulat na every time na nasa stage na ako, I forget about everything. Nakakalimutan ko yung sakit ko, nakakalimutan ko yung problem, yung ini-stress ko, and when I hear the crowd cheering for me, yun na yun. Nagiging iba na yung pakiramdam ko. And automatic, lumalabas na lang yung boses.
Yeah.
And si Thor pa nagsabi sa akin na, kasi sabi ko, Thor, congratulations ha. I think ito na yata yung last week ko. Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Huwag kang ganyan. Si Thor super bite talaga siya. Kasi si Thor, teacher siya eh. So alam niya, disiplinahin yung sarili niya sa boses. Sabi ko, Thor, yun na to. Sabi ko gano'n. Sabi niya, hindi yan. Mamaya lalabas yan. Narinig mo yung mga tao. Sure enough, nangyari
Very
naman
supportive
yun.
pala sila.
Oo, lahat sila. Ang Team Apple, I'm sure yung ibang team din. Pero syempre, from my
Team
experience,
Apple talaga.
napaka-supportive ng Team Apple. Especially yung si Coach and yung mga ano niya, the whole team niya.
Yeah.
So what's keeping you busy now after nung The Voice?
Busy kami mag-promote nung album ng The Voice.
Okay.
Kasi may mga albums na yun yung mga songs na we performed the live shows. Even yung pero allowed din kaming kumanta whatever we wanna sing.
Oh, that's good.
Pero ako namang personally I chose to sing yung mga kinakanta ko sa live. Because since tapos na yung competition, my voice is well rested.
Oo
So
nga.
sabi ko, gusto kong iparinig sa kanila.
Yung
how
version mo talaga,
it
no?
would sound like if I was okay. If
Yeah.
I was
yeah.
feeling okay. And
Yeah.
nakakatuwa naman na nagugustuhan nila, natutuwa sila. And parang iba na surprise kasi hindi raw ganun yung tunog ko during the live. Sabi ko kasi
Oo.
nakapahinga na po eh. So,
Tama.
sabi niya, sayang naman. Kasi ngayon mo lang yan pinalabas. Sabi ko, ganun talaga eh. Ayaw niya lumabas nun eh. Ngayon lang.
So what's next for you naman? Kasi kanina we were talking about, something new we wanna pursue for next year, for
Yeah,
2014.
hashtag what's next.
So for you, what's next?
We'll be having our own albums. Kami
Wow!
yung 4 plus another 2 artists.
Let's support that. Let's buy that.
Yeah.
Yes.
And marami akong sinuggest na, kasi we're doing covers and originals. Kaya lang, I felt like, personal experience ko, I felt like hindi pa ready ang Pilipinas sa masyadong malalim na soul, R&B. Kasi when I sang Chain of Fools, parang hindi siya masyadong na-appreciate. Kasi nga, old school siya.
Yeah.
I like that song a lot.
Sample nga dyan.
Cheng, cheng, cheng.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun.
Okay
Tama
na.
na, no?
Marilyn.
Sobrang galing na eh. No?
Napaka-sexy naman.
Sexy ko, no? Ganun talaga. Kabwisit.
Diba? Parang sabi ko, so kailangan talaga palang.
So ito, abangan namin to 2014.
Yes.
Early next year?
Very early next
Yay!
year. Sana talaga matapos. And I wanted to sing Tagalog songs kasi Alala ko nung audition, sabi niya, can you sing Tagalog? Parang namoblema ako. Kasi po, anak lang po yung kabisado kong Tagalog. Yan yung ikaw, kasi sa kasal, pag
typical.
sige, kantay mo yun. Parang, nahiya naman ako ng Pilipina ako, pero wala ko alam ng Tagalog.
Tama.
Kasi, audition kailangan you have to sing whatever you can sing best. So, sabi ko, yun na lang po. Pero ngayon, I wanna make it a point na I sing a lot of OPMs. Kahit na in English language, basta OPM.
That's nice.
Yung
Amazing. Okay, so before we wrap up the show, we want to ask you, what's the advice? I mean, after years and years of being in the industry and being exposed to so many struggles and being able to conquer most of them, what's your advice to those who are so afraid to put themselves out there, but they know they have the capability, they know they have the talent, but it's just something about their physical appearance that's hindering them? What do you want to tell them?
Well, for all those people who feel exactly what you've said,
Yes.
it's about time na itigil na yun, yung ganong isip na hindi ko to kaya, hindi ako pretty enough, hindi ako. Although sometimes I still feel like that, pero hindi dapat palagi. You have to fight it. Kasi there's no other people who's, who can push you than yourself. Kasi,
Amen.
tawag dito, paano ka respetuhin ng tao kung hindi mo kaya respetuhin yung sarili mo for what you are.
Correct.
And kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa?
Tama.
Sabi ko kasi, I like what Coach Leah said one time when I sang Imagine. Sabi niya, probably God blessed you with that big body so you can host a big soul.
Yeah, in you. And your big voice.
Favorite
So, parang, yan ang binigay sa'yo ng Diyos. Hindi ka naman, kasi sabi nila, cursed ka kasi. May mga ganun. Hindi ka cursed. You're just, you can just afford to eat
Hindi. At saka, I think if God created you that way, maybe God doesn't see anything wrong creating you that way.
Exactly.
Diba?
And hindi ka, hindi ka i-create kung isa kang, pang papabigat sa
kung pagkakamali ka. Hindi totoo yan.
Yup.
Basta, advice ko sa inyo, people who have sobrang insecurities, kailangan nyo labanan kasi you're gonna be scared for the rest of your life if you don't do anything. And I think ikaw lang ang makakapagpabago sa sarili mo.
Correct.
There's no one else. And you have to love yourself, you have to trust yourself, you have to respect yourself, and everything else will follow. Yeah.
That's very true!
Okay, before we close the show, pwede ba ako mag-request? Last, please.
Sige!
Yay! Go!
Any Christmas song.
Any Christmas song.
Yes.
Or That's All, Michael Bublé.
Ay, hindi ko alam si That's.
Sige, any Christmas song.
Any Christmas song.
Okay. Since sabi ko nga gusto ko mag-OPM na lang.
Sige.
Sige, tapos habang kumakanta ka, i-rap na namin yung show.
Okay.
Sige. Or like the closing beautiful song of the show.
Sige.
Okay. Ba't kailangan may ganun, laging clear throat?
Brace yourselves, guys.
Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap kita.
Hindi ako na magsalita.
Bakit nagtatampo, nilisan ako. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Paskong alay ko sa'yo? Sayang, sinta, ang sinumpaan at pagtitingin ng tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan ka na ang ating suyuan at galang? Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Paskong alay ko sa'yo?
Woo! Miss Janet Javier! Thank you guys for watching!
yes, please follow us, The Plum Pinay, at Twitter and Instagram. And also, Yo Big Mama J on Twitter.
Yeah, follow Mama
Thank you
J.
so much.
Group hug,
Merry
group hug.
Christmas. Thank you so much. We'll see you again next
See
Monday
you
for our
next
last episode for 2013. We'll see you again. Monday, we'll see you. And then next year, we'll see you again. And then next year, we'll see you again.
sige. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye!
Just here. Done.